Hi everyone, my name is Ed. I am working in Starlim North America, logistic department. We are doing packaging here in this department, and some other people they are doing shipping. We're gonna bring the machine and put it beside each stations, and then we have to match the parts, the same parts, and we're gonna check the weight to make sure 100% the weight is right. And then we're gonna put it in a box, we're gonna tape it and put it in the skid. Each machine has a specific box to be in the skid, and then when to be ready, we're gonna bring it here to make it ready for the shipping. I enjoy here because we're working here as a team. We are very good friendship here. We have friends, we're working together. We're always talking to each other at whatever we need. Anyone needs something, we're gonna help each other. Yeah, the skills we have here, like what we are doing here, good communications with other companies, with our departments. So that's what we do with quality and productions. We're doing a fantastic job. We have to make everything ready to send it to the customer, to make the customer happy.